Okay, so sales teams transformations. The most greatest engagement platforms for sales teams is Outreach.io, and this amazing tool platform can drive efficiency and great effectiveness for marketing and sales development, and help to collaborate at scale with customers to close those greatest deals ever. Let's look at Outreach.io right now. What it's going to do after Lena, I've got to go here too. Outreach.io, right? I hope you're enjoying this amazing, mind blowing course and technology which can make sure that you go berserk with it, right? So, make your team a revenue driving machine. This is a sales engagement platform, right? So, this is the most amazing, efficient growth sales engagement platforms that's going to change the world, right? So you have hell out of technologies here, and this is the most effective platform, guys. They have a hell lot of technologies in terms of changing the entire sales game altogether. It's able to help you close deals. It's able to help you personalize, prioritize, and analyze sales activities at large, right? You'll be able to drive high performance at every stage of the sales cycle, right? So if you take the different stages, right, how you'll be able to drive performance with prospects, right? Email, voice, social media outreach, everything is there here inside inbuilt this tool, right? You'll be able to execute those selling activities that you want inside the tools. You have intelligence, you have yeah, they call it sales intelligence, by the way. They have workflows. Do you have email and content templates? Ever heard of MailChimp? This has gone way beyond that. MailChimp.com. Just give me a minute. It takes some time to load. MailChimp is a great email automation tool to send out, blast out email marketing campaigns for the matter. Where that go? It's your email marketing. Got big ideas. Now what? It's time to execute stuff with MailChimp. Put your audience first. Bring your brand to life. Bring in our data and insights for that matter. So that is MailChimp for that matter. But this is Outreach for this matter. It's able to manage your entire pipeline with predictability stats, right? It's able to play to the tune of the internet marketers, right? It's able to you can spend the most least amount of time that you're able to connect with prospects, right? And you're able to you know able to be the best in the business when it comes to sales engagement platform is concerned, right? So you'll be able to rule the business brandscape for that matter, right? The outreach of the year is this, right? You'll be able to power up your sales team for a greater extent. Oh, even Bright is using this. I didn't know about it. Even Bright is using this. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. AdRoll, another sales marketing teams that great company that focuses on sales and marketing is also using this. So Outreach.io is your definition, or is your what do you call the sales team differentiator, though, for that matter. The definition of a sales team differentiator is going to be Outreach.io, right? So this is a revenue driving machine for your sales team to be able to get. It's like kind of a CRM itself, but it has much more technologies. Ever heard of Salesforce? Ever heard of Marketo? Outreach also is pretty good. You can use it. Very good. And in fact, it's a great engagement platform. They focus most probably on engagement, I believe. So you'll be able to reach out to your prospects, get that deal closed, right? Done, dusted. Yeah, let's move on to the next video.